Here in the Atlas, we have a Murphy bed system. So in order to make that into bed, we first want to take our armrest off, make sure that our footrests are in, and then we hit our power button to bring the lounge down. Once the lounge is down, we'll be able to pull our bed down. Our bed actually consists of a Froley bed system with a pillow top mattress. So now that I've got this down, I want to pull the handle down, pull the bed out, flip that handle back up, and now I've got my bed in the down position. As you can see here, here's that pillow top mattress I was referencing, along with the Froley bed system underneath. So once you have this in the bed position, you also have two reading lights. You can pull these out, and you have a button underneath that you can turn that on with two different settings. On that base of that light, there's also a USB port that you can plug in to charge your cell phones. So when you have your bed in the down position, keep in mind you can have your slide out in or out to have your bed in the down position. So now that we want to bring our bed up, we just have to reverse that operation. So all we have to do is lift up on the bed, push it back, and reach down to our power switch and bring our lounge up. Once that lounge is fully up, we are done.